I think what you pray about first thing in the morning sets the tone for the day. And I have this little discipline where I kind of roll out of bed and make sure that my knees hit the floor first so that my feet aren't like activistically running through the day before I quiet myself before God. And when I'm on my knees, I often pray, now God, I am open to be used by you today. Have people cross my path that I could encourage, serve, love, point to you. And by the time I get off my knees, I go into the day with a grander vision. It's a vision for people. It's a vision for opportunities that God might bring my way. And going into a day like that just energizes me and keeps a sense of anticipation about what God might do through my life that day.